I was looking for a home for being female and a mum, a working mum, but obviously wanted to still continue and advance my career on the path that it was. And eventually Coutts evolved in that sort of format.
So I'm originally from the Gold Coast. I moved here about 7 years ago. I've been employed at Coutts for 6 of those years. I originally started on reception. I then developed into an office manager role, where I grew again into an assistant role. So I wasn't really career driven prior to being employed at Coutts. So they really encouraged me to do that uni degree. And there was a point in my uni course where I wanted to give up because I got a bad mark, but I did get the support from Adriana and Karina to help me through it.
I started working with Coutts in 2014. I remember that I said to Adriana that I was really passionate about wills and estates because it was just one of those subjects at uni that just happened to stick with me, and the whole department pretty much became my baby. It feels good to come to work and be able to really help and make a difference.
So I have been with Coutts for 9 years, give or take. Yeah, I know, literally 9 years ago. How old was I? Do you don't want to know the answer to that? I started out as work experience while I was studying conveyancing, moved my way up to my current position of a licensed conveyancer. So I've been in the Campbelltown office since the early days and I thoroughly enjoy being out there. These first home buyers came to me and they said, Melina, we're looking at buying this house and land package, and I was really able to not only guide them through the whole process, but give them all this information about saving them money. They were saying saving something ridiculous, like nearly $12,000.
Coutts has grown quite a lot over 13 years. 13 years ago, I started with just myself and another conveyancer. I think we're just under 40 staff now. I think 6 offices. I don't know how many offices I have.
What I think that we offer as that predominantly female firm is that nurturing, caring side. Not only within Coutts, we provide that to each other, we're there for each other, and I think all of the girls would support me in saying that, and that's a service that we then provide to our clients, and I think that's second to none.
I chose to focus on family law and criminal law because growing up I realised that people didn't realise that they had this access to justice. I felt like I could be the voice for those people going through those difficult times.
The goal for Coutts in the next 5 to 10 years is to grow. We've had massive growth already, and Adriana's done a great job growing Coutts. That way we can bring in services that they may only be able to access from Sydney to the local areas and spread them across all of our branches.
Coutts in the future looks very interesting. Obviously, we do have that reputation and image that we want to take over the world, and hopefully in the future that's where we'll be.
I think what people can expect to see when they step into a Coutts office is purple. Purple as far as the eye can see.
Purple, yes, yes.
I love that we have this great, huge purple presence, which nobody can deny.
I'm really proud that we've become known for our empathetic and personal approach to estate planning.
The culture at Coutts is incredible. It's nothing that I've ever seen before in any other firm, so we're all like one big family.
The actual office has grown so much over the time that I've been there. Seeing that progression has been fantastic.
What I'm really happy about is the contribution that I've made to where Coutts is today. The relationship that I have with Adriana, the relationships I've formed with the girls and the team throughout Coutts, it's just invaluable to me.
So without the help from Adriana and Karina and the Coutts team, I definitely wouldn't be where I am today.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Awesome. So nervous.